Hello, everyone. We're upgrading the center control screen on the 2004 to 2008 Lexus RX. Today, I'll show you how to upgrade the older Lexus RX model. This is its original central control. Take a look. First, remove the gear shift's decorative panel. Then, take out the cigarette lighter panel and set it aside. No need to remove this part. Now, unscrew the 4 screws holding the CD player in place, and remove the player. Disconnect all the plugs on the back of the CD player. Next, unscrew the 2 screws securing the original screen, and remove the original screen. Similarly, disconnect all the plugs on the back of the original screen. Now, we'll remove the original air vents, and install them on the new unit. Then, attach these 2 metal parts to the new unit as well. Now, let's start wiring. This is the GPS antenna. For actual installation, route the wire to the pillar. This is the 4G antenna. There are 2 of these. Likewise, route these to the pillar during actual installation. This is the video input cable. This is the USB transmission cable. There are 2 of these as well. Route these cables to the glove compartment for actual installation. This is the RCA audio cable. Now let's connect the original car plugs. We'll connect them according to the size of the plugs. If there's no suitable match, do not connect. Connect the protocol box. There are 2 of these. Connect the new power lines protocol port to the car machine. Connect the button panel plug. Connect the reverse video output plug. Plug the original car radio plug into the new unit. Connect the new power lines OBD plug to the original car socket. Finally, connect the black screen power plug. After all connections are complete, install the new unit and secure it. Reinstall the cigarette lighter panel. Reinstall the gear shift decorative panel. The installation is now complete. Before using it, we still need to set up the protocol. This will enable us to use the original car's air conditioning, steering wheel buttons, and the reverse camera, among other features. Additionally, it has many other functions. Supports local music and other online music apps. You can adjust the sound tone to your preference. You can watch local videos or other apps, online videos, and browse Douyin. Capable of automatically searching for local radio stations. Supports local maps and other online map apps, like Gaode and Baidu. These are just the basics. Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, Huawei Hiker. Here you can use the voice assistant to make calls, listen to songs, use online maps, and other smartphone applications. Alright, that's it for this video. There are many other vehicle videos on the homepage. Feel free to check them out.